Righto, real quick video, how I spent my Sunday morning. Managed to get this from this. Took a ride last weekend up to the industrial estate with the trailer on, with the intentions of getting just a cubic metre of wood so I can burn it on the fire pit this spring as we lead into the summer, to the warmer months. Put up to the guy at the Firewood yard, backed the trailer in, went up, said, "Hey mate, how much is a cubic metre?" And when he told me the price, I nearly fell over. So we're up around $310, $320 for a cubic metre of dry red gum. I actually had to apologise to the bloke for how poor my reaction was. Wasn't rude, I think I laughed and swore. Anyway, so I had a look around. You can get permits to go out bush. We've had a fair bit of rain. I really don't feel like getting the four-wheel drive bogged up to the axles. And I've heard collecting roadside, even in the areas where you can get it, collecting roadside fallen timber is a bit hit and miss with what you can get, what's available, and the quality of the wood. Had a property out in Bullingrook. A lady that I buy chickens off said a little while ago I could get out there and clean up her property. She's already had people out to do a tidy up. She reckoned there wasn't much there. Saw a message on Facebook, Macedon Rangers community Facebook page yesterday, a fallen eucalyptus tree down within the area. So we're going to head over there. Chainsaw's been serviced, got the fuel. Can't say the weather outside is ideal wood cutting weather. Alright, got a weatherproof jacket. We'll give it a crack, go out there and see if we can chop up a trailer load of wood. Admittedly, it is wet, but it's going to be good wood. I'll let it sit around and dry for 12 or 18 months so that we don't have to go out and pay $300, $600, $900 for a couple of cubic metres of wood. I'll let you know how we go. Alright, so we're out here at a beautiful property out the back of Riddles Creek. Horse people, lovely bit of land, and this is what we've got. She's a pretty big tree. Unfortunately, it's come down on their fence. I don't reckon I'm going to get through that trunk. I reckon I've got a 60 centimetre bar, if that. So anyway, we'll chop it into little pieces, see how many trailer loads we can get. It's exactly what I was after. Well, we're getting through it. I've been hitting it for about 20-25 minutes. One tank of juice through the Husqvarna. And you can see what we've got here. Just cutting the foliage off the ends. Going to use all I can for a bit of kindling. There'll be a bit of that. But I just want to show you up here. She's bigger than she looks. These are... We're starting to get probably bigger than I've ever chopped. Now ideally the property owner wants it at least cut back to here. I reckon I'll get these two branches off and leave that laying there. Ideally what the landowner wants is just to be able to restrain their fences. So I think I'll reassess as we get closer up to the wire here, whether I think I need to cut their fence or I can control it as I remove the branches. Anyway, I'll let you know how we go. Keep watching. Well, I would say half an hour, maybe add 5-10 minutes. We're done. As you can see here, I'm certainly going to have enough to keep me busy for a while. If anybody's got a motorised wood splitter that needs a service, I need to borrow it. So fortunately, was able to maintain without cutting the landowners fencing here. Got a bit hairy here. As you can see, the base of the tree has actually rolled off its stump. Had to prop it. I'm not going to tell you something I didn't already know here, but tree loppers, arborists, wood fire guys, it's not as easy as it looks, and there's certainly a lot of variables that you need to consider. If you're doing this, tree arboring for 20 years, up a tree, the bottom of a tree, swinging chainsaws, and you haven't seriously hurt yourself, you're doing something right. Hats off. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go home now and see if I can stack it somewhere. It's going to take a good 18 months, 2 years to dry. But I got to say, that's exactly how I wanted to spend my Sunday morning. Thanks for watching.